All the time. 90 miles an hour, girl. Speed I drive. Tell me it's alright. You don't mind a little pain. Just want to take you for a ride. Just across town. Get through you. Run over you. All you do is slow me down when I'm trying to get on the other side of town. I'm not the only souls accused of hit and run. Tire tracks all across your back. I can see you had your fun, but girl, can't you see my signals turn from green to red? With you, I see a traffic jam straight up ahead, 'cause you know, baby, you're like hard to get through you. Run over you. All you do is slow me down. Well, I got better things on the other side of town, you know what I mean, baby? Alright, Blogosphere. Sunday afternoon, contemplating, going to get something to eat, or just chilling in the crib. I ain't real sure. It's been a nice day in the sun. Be a nice evening with the moon. Just remember, God bless, God loves you, and I love you.